Welcome to CyberPros Nikto tutorial. Find web vulnerabilities in under 60 seconds. First, we'll make sure our system's package list is up to date and then install Nikto, a popular open-source web server scanner that checks for thousands of potentially dangerous files and programs. Now that Nikto is installed, let's run a basic scan against our target web server. We use the H flag to specify the host and add a maxtime limit to keep the scan brief for this tutorial. Next, we can focus our scan on a specific application directory. By pointing Nikto at the /dvwa/path, we can uncover findings relevant only to that part of the web server. It's always a good practice to save your scan results. We can use the flag to specify an output file and format to save a detailed report in HTML format for easy viewing. Finally, we can run a quick ls command to confirm that our report file was successfully created. We could now open this HTML file in a browser to analyze the full findings from our scan. If this helped you, please subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.